Today, I'll show you how to create a clean and simple flash transition in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. I've already placed both of my video clips on the timeline. Then I went to the Project panel, right-clicked, and created a new adjustment layer. Place the adjustment layer above the clip. After that, I right-clicked on the adjustment layer again, opened Speed/Duration, and set the duration to 8 frames. Now I position the adjustment layer right between the two clips. Next, I go to the Effects panel, search for Levels, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. In Effect Controls, I keyframe the RGB white input level at the start of the adjustment layer. Then I move the playhead to the middle of the adjustment layer and drop the RGB white input level all the way down to 0. Finally, I move the playhead to the end of the adjustment layer and reset the RGB white input level back to the default setting. And that's it. You now have a clean, modern, and dynamic flash transition, perfect for fast-paced edits, travel videos, and YouTube content.